Welcome. In front of me is ASUS ZenBook A14, and in this video I will show you how to use split screen feature on this laptop. So first let me open some applications for this. So I opened two separate windows, and if you want to place them both on the same screen, you gotta grab the top bar of one of the applications and drag it to the top of the screen. Then select the positioning for your first application. As you can see, you can place up to 4 applications at the same time. Basically just select one of the positions that you'd like the most for your application, and then put the other application on the second half by selecting it, by clicking on it basically. Now you can change the size of each window by dragging this bar between these two applications, and basically right now you can use both applications at the same time. So that's basically it. That's how you split screen feature works. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.